Hello, lovely yogi. Welcome to Flow with Shreya. I'm Shreya, and today I'm bringing you a standing yoga flow. This quick, versatile flow can be practiced almost anywhere because it does not require you to place your palms on the floor. So if you're looking for a standing, no hands yoga flow, come flow with me. Meet me in standing. You don't even need a mat for this flow. We'll focus first on grounding down through our feet and finding a strong mountain pose since we're going to be on our feet for this entire flow. So begin by rocking forward and back, finding all four corners of your feet, the balls of your feet, the heels, and then find stillness as you ground down through those four corners. Engage the inner thighs as you lift the inner arches up. Let that energy travel up, engaging your core, rolling your shoulders back, placing your palms by your sides. Maybe even close your eyes for a few moments here. Just tuning into your breath. Tuck your chin in just slightly as you lift the back of your skull up. Maybe lift all 10 toes off the mat, wiggling them and then placing them down one at a time. Let's try that one more time. Lift all 10 toes off the mat. Place your pinkies down, place your big toes down. Place your middle toes down, your big toes down. As you inhale, blink your eyes open, send the palms up overhead. Exhale the palms to heart center as you open your mouth to the side all the way. Take 3 more rounds of that. Inhale up, exhale and side away. One more time. By your sides around your hips as you step to the top of your mat. Or just turn to the side. As you inhale, send your arms up once more. As you exhale, fold forward. So this is a spot where you can place your fingertips on the floor if you'd like. Or just place them on your feet. Grab onto your ankles. Whatever feels good in your body. Inhale, lift up halfway, palms to shins or palms to thighs, lengthening and strengthening the spine. Exhale and fold just a little bit more. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale and fold once more. Inhale, rattle them one vertebrae at a time. Palms come up. Grabbing onto the left wrist, exhale as you lean over to your right side. Inhale, come back to center. Grab onto the right wrist. Exhale as you lean over to the left side. Find that side bend. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, bend the elbows. Sending the elbows and arms out of your peripheral vision. Finding a mini back bend. Maybe even taking your gaze up. Exhale the palms to heart center. Turn your toes slightly in towards each other and slightly out. As you exhale, engage the core. Bend the knees as you sink the hips back and down. Chair pose. Staying strong through your feet, strong through your thighs. Squeezing the air between your thighs. Engaging the core. Inhale, come back up to standing. Placing the palms on your hips. Exhale as you lunge your left leg back. Inhale the palms up, finding your high crescent lunge. Grabbing onto the left wrist one more time. Exhale as you lean over to the right side. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, open up wide to your side, warrior 2. Breathe here. Inhale as you reverse your warrior. Exhale as you find your side angle pose. Again, this is an option where you can place your palm on the ground. You can always keep the forearm on the thigh in this space. Inhale, come back to warrior two and reverse your warrior. As you exhale, place your palms on your hips and step forward. Inhale the palms up, exhale the palms to heart center. Placing the palms on your hips one more time. Exhale as you lunge the right leg back. Finding your high crescent lunge, inhale your arms up. Grab onto the right wrist, exhale, lean over to the left side. Press into that front foot for balance. Inhale back to center, exhale, open up wide to your side, warrior two. Take a few breaths here. Inhale and reverse your warrior. Exhale to your side angle pose. Inhale, lift up and reverse your warrior. Palms come to hips. Exhale and step forward. Take a moment here, palms to heart center, and catch your breath. On your next exhale, place the palms on your hips as you lunge the left leg back once more. This time, let both toes point out towards the corners of your mat. Take your feet as wide as it feels good. And then as you exhale, bend the knees and sink the hips down. Find your goddess pose. You can keep your palms on your hips, or move them to the thighs, or bring them to heart center. Find a little bit of movement here. And then when you're ready, press the knees out, opening up the hips. Sink as low as you can and find some stillness. Palms come back to heart center, and this time step to the back of your mat. Breathing in. Palms, heart center. Inhale as you lift them up. Exhale as you swan dive and fold forward. Inhale, lift up halfway. Exhale and fold once more. Inhale, rise up one vertebrae at a time. Again, bringing the palms to your hips for stability and balance. Engage your core. This time, lunge your right leg back. Let the toes point in towards each other, and the heels go slightly out. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale as you hinge at the hips and fold forward. You can grab onto opposite ankles. You can keep your palms on your hips, whatever feels good here in your body. Again, option to place your palms on the floor. Let your head hang heavy. Gently nod your head no. Gently nod your head yes. Hug the belly button up and in for a deeper fold. And maybe even shift your weight slightly forward towards the balls of your feet. Feel this intensify the stretch in the backs of your legs. Bend the knees, inhale as you rise up. Exhale, heel toe the feet back in towards the center. Inhale, send the arms up. This time grab onto the left elbow with your right palm as you exhale and lean over to the right side. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, we'll do the opposite side. Lean over to the left. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, the palms to heart center. Again, ground down through your feet. Notice what you feel here. Notice how you feel compared to the beginning of practice. Take one long, slow inhale. Drop your jaw and let it all go. I hope you enjoyed that flow, and if you did, it would mean a lot to me if you click the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see more of these types of flows. really helps my channel grow when you share this video so that more people can find it and more people can practice yoga with us. If you share it on social media, be sure to tag me at Flow with Shreya. For more vinyasa flows, check out this playlist right here. You'll also find yin yoga and relaxing yoga on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.